So in this video, we are going to solve question 8 of ICSE Computer Applications 2017 paper. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to receive all the latest updates. So the question says, design a class to overload a function check as follows. So the first definition is void check takes a string str and a character ch. This is to find and print the frequency of a character in a string. For example, input is string is success. If ch is s, then you print the number of times s is present is 3. The other definition for this overloaded check is it takes a string and display only vowels from string s1 after converting it to lowercase. So in questions like these, you don't have to write the main method because all you need to do is design a class. But I'm going to write the class and the main as well so that we can check what you have written is correct or not. So I'll write the class just above this main. So I'll say class. You can name the class anything you want. Okay. So I'll say class question 8. Okay. It has two methods. First one is the first overloaded check method. So I'll say void check takes a string str and a char ch and it prints the number of times ch occurs in str. The second one is simply taking a string s1. Void check string s1. Alright, and you can see that I have not made this public, right? So because the definition says void check, so you don't have to add public or private, just keep it as they are requested, right? And even the name of the parameters I have kept same for str and ch for the first one, str and ch, and similarly s1 for the second one. If you don't keep it the same, it's okay, but it's a lot more readable if you keep the name of the parameters the same as given in the question. So let's get the first one done, the second overloaded check method. So in this method, you need to find number of times ch occurs in str. So I'll say the variable to store the frequency. So I'll say int count is equal to 0. Iterate the string and find how many times ch occurs. Okay, so for int I is equal to 0, I is less than str dot length I plus plus. Okay, get this ith character in the string. So I'll say char c is equals to str dot char at index I. Okay, if c equals ch, so if c is equals to ch, I increment the count by 1. Increment count by 1. Display the result. So the output is number of s present is this. So I'll say sys out number of plus ch plus is present is equal to the count. Because I want to keep my output here as close as possible to the sample given here. So number of s is basically number of ch present is the count. Okay. The first method is done. The second method is to display only vowels from string s1 after converting it to lowercase. Okay, convert string to lowercase. So I'll say s1 is equals to s1 dot to lowercase. So there are two ways you can look for vowels in a string. You can use an if statement or you can use a switch case. I'm going to use a switch case for each character in the string. So for int I is equals to 0, I is less than s1 dot length and I plus plus, get this ith character. So I'll say char c is equals to s1 dot char I. Now we need to check if c equals a, e, I, o, u. I'll use a switch case, switch c. For all the vowel cases, I'll say case a. For all these cases, I'm going to print this character C. I'm going to say sys out without a change in line C plus a space, because that's how the expected output is, the vowel with a space. And finally change the line sys out print. Okay, so this class design is all what you need, right? But I'm going to create an object of this class and check if this works. Okay, so creating an object question 8 is equals to new question 8. Let's call the first method question 8 dot check. It takes in our sample case success and s, success and s. Okay, I'll change a line for clarity, and then I'll call the other overloaded method question 8 dot check, and this takes a string computer, so I'll pass computer. All right, so let's just run this and check. So you see the number of s present is 3 and we get an output OUE. Let's try another case. Okay, so I will say for this case code with BK, right? And I'll look for the word O, character O. And similarly I'm going to say here Java programming. Okay, and I'll look for the vowels obviously. So let's run this. So in the first case where you have code with BK, number of times O present is 1, and in Java programming we have A, O, A, I, which is the output. So this was the solution to the question. I hope this video was helpful. So please do like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and thank you for watching.